Hey guys, we are back with another weekly analysis. If you remember our last video, I was looking to sell around this area because we had this supply zone, and we have this imbalance. The market came and wicked around that area. I entered my trade, and I was looking the market to come and take this weekly support area, and now the market has closed below that weekly support area. Now the only thing that I will be looking coming next week, we have this imbalance that the market has not already yet filled. We have this the last candle before this sharp move. That will be our supply area. So coming next week, I'll be looking. So coming next week, I'll be looking the market to come and touch this supply area and fill this imbalance before market coming down, closing fully below this weekly support area, and now market to come and fill this imbalance that we have around here, and fill this imbalance, or the market to come and touch this, or the market to come and touch this demand area. So for me, I'll be looking to sell around this area. Targeting this demand area, and I want this market to come and fill this imbalance. Remember, on a daily, we are still consolidating around this area. We are still consolidating around this area. I want this market to come. And close below this, fully close below this weekly support area. After the market will close fully below this weekly support area, coming on Monday, I'll be looking to buy. I'll be looking to buy this market. I'll be looking to buy this market. This will be around 60 pips. I'll be looking to scalp this market to come and fill this imbalance and touch this demand area, and touch this supply area before market coming down. So next week, I want an up move to fill this imbalance. I want an up move to fill this imbalance before this market coming down, closing fully below this weekly support area, then having a retest before this market going down. Will be targeting around 150. Will be targeting around 150 pips, risking about 40 to 50 pips. That will be like 2 to 3 risk reward ratio. So I want this market to come and fill this imbalance and touch this supply zone before market fully closing below this area. Because if you see clearly, the market has closed below that area, but we are having some rejection. The market has not closed yet fully. We are having some rejection around this area. You see this rejection. Now the market is rejecting. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 rejection. This clearly is a strong support area. So we'll be seeing some bounce or some retest to this imbalance before market coming down, and that is how I'll be looking to trade this market. I hope you have a beautiful weekend. Have a nice time, and peace.